no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Yeah. One time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be my final review slash update on this hair that I'm wearing right now. If you guys do not remember, this hair is from Rosabeauty Hair, and this actually was their 613 blonde hair. Okay, so I've had this hair for a few months. If you guys remember, I did post a video of exactly how I got this hair color and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and get into everything about this hair. I definitely wanted to come back to you guys and give you an update, tell you guys how this hair is doing, my experience with the hair, do I recommend it. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep watching this video, because I'm gonna spill the tea on exactly how this hair really is. I wanted to do an in-depth final review on this hair. So first things first is I'm going to tell you guys exactly what type of hair as well as the length. So this is their 613 Peruvian body wave hair, and I have it in the lengths 18, 20, 22, and then I actually have a 18-inch lace closure. First video that I posted about this hair, I did show you guys like the unboxing, how the hair came shipped to me.
Get a squad, some space. Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life.
And everything, so I'll probably try to insert a clip so you'll see exactly how the hair comes to you. So the next thing that I wanted to do is tell you guys, well, actually show you whether or not this hair is true to length, because that's basically one of the main things that you want to look at to see if the hair that they do send you is true to length. So I'm basically going to show you guys using like a measuring tape and show you whether or not the hair that was sent to me was a true 20-inch, which is pretty much the longest length. And I definitely would have to say it's about it was 20 inches that they sent me, which is really good. I did go in and cut this hair a little bit because I wanted to add some layers, but pretty much this hair is true to length. I did receive 3 bundles as well as a closure. So on their site they do have bundle deals. You can get 2 bundle deals, 3 bundle deals, 4 bundle deals. So I wanted to give you guys an exact price if you were looking to get like the same amount of hair that I got. So pretty much like on their site it does show that they do have a 3 bundle deal with the closure, and they don't have like the exact lengths that I had, because like I said, I had 18, 20, 22 with an 18-inch closure, but on their site they have like 18, 20, 20, and they have 20, 22, 22. So just giving an estimate between those 3 bundle deals, I would probably have to say that if you wanted 3 bundles, the 18, 20, 22 with the 18-inch closure, the price will be between like $200 to $215 for the 3 bundles and the closure, which is a pretty good deal, because you know, if you guys do not know, 613 blonde hair is like the priciest or the most expensive when it comes to getting hair bundles. That's the amount that you will have to pay if you guys want the lengths that I have. But I did double check, because I know a lot of you might not want to wear your hair as long as me. So I think like the shortest length that they have, or the shortest bundle deal that they have, starts with a 10-inch, and it's like 10, 12, 14, and the price for that with the closure is like $128. Now we're going to go ahead and get into the texture of the hair. As I stated to you guys before, I did receive their Peruvian body wave, and their body wave is a true body wave pattern.
You do I know that it's hard on the low. Bounce around, 2 different jobs. Oh, but you have.
When I got the hair, it was a very nice body wave pattern, and I actually did go in and wash this hair because I did apply color to it. So I did have to go in and wash this hair really thoroughly, and I did notice that the texture still stayed the same. Like, I know a lot of times you might get hair and you color it, then you go in and wash it, and then like the hair is like bone straight, like the wave or curl pattern is like completely gone. But in this case, the hair definitely stayed in its body wave texture. The next thing I wanted to tell you guys is about the install, how I installed the hair. With me installing the hair, I pretty much did a lace closure wig. I sewn down all the bundles of the hair as well as the closure onto a wig cap, and this is exactly what I got. Would I recommend if you were looking to do a sew-in for this hair? I would pretty much say yeah. I really do think that this hair could withstand a sew-in. A lot of times when you do get hair, you are only able to wear it as a wig, and don't wear it too much because you might experience a lot of shedding or tangling. But in this case, with this hair, would I recommend if you wanted to wear a sew-in? Yeah. I think this hair can go either way. You can wear it as a wig and wear a wig all the time, or you know, if you are looking to wear this hair for a short amount of time as a wig, you can do that. And then the same when it comes to as a sew-in. Next thing we're gonna go ahead and get into is, does the hair take color? Are you able to bleach the hair or anything like that? Now, as far as like with bleach go, I'm not for sure because the hair already came in the color that I wanted. I said this is a 613 blonde color. The 613 was pretty bright. I would definitely have to say that. So that was really good because the brighter the shade of the 613, the brighter your color will be when you do go in and color or dye the hair. So I really like that. I definitely wouldn't recommend if you are looking to wear the hair as just as it being 613. I definitely probably wouldn't recommend that because the hair came to me like so yellow. If you are looking to just get the 613 hair and then wear it as is, I would recommend you tone the hair first before wearing it out. So as with the color, in the first video I showed you guys step by step on exactly how I got this color. I decided to do like a mermaid blend watercolor because I did do watercolor, and then I went ahead and dyed the hair. And if you guys do not know for sure exactly what that means, I recommend you guys check out the first video so you can see exactly what I did.
Do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get bad over here. Over here.
So pretty much with the color, the first thing that I did is I did go in and shampoo the hair first with a sulfate free shampoo. So once I shampooed the hair first, then I went in and did the watercolor method, and then after that I went ahead and started applying all the colors that I wanted. And the colors that I used was by Adore. All the colors that I used was by Adore, and I show you guys all the colors that I use. The ratio when it comes to the developer and everything like that, and exactly my technique on getting this blended look. So if you guys are interested, like I said, go ahead and check out the first video. But this hair takes very, very, very well when it comes to coloring or dyeing. I highly recommend if you're looking for a 613 hair and you want to go in and apply some color, this hair is the bomb when it comes to applying dye or color. Next thing we're going to go ahead and talk about is whether or not the hair tangles and sheds. Now, the first time that I wore this hair, or my first install date, was I think back in April.
But you have to do what you have to know. Yeah. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down in your bed at night. Ooh, baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have.
So I've had this hair for quite some time. Tangling and shedding. When it comes to tangling, I really don't experience too much tangling with this hair. Now, when it comes to shedding, I do experience some shedding. It's not excessive, but I would definitely say that I do experience shedding. As you guys know, all hair sheds, and at times all hair tangles. It just all depends on the quality of the hair. But even though I do experience shedding, I still do like this hair. Like, it's not like every time I pull on the hair I'm getting, you know, hair after hair and it's just like coming out. I definitely don't get that. Like, if I don't wear this hair for a few days and I just set it aside and then I put it on my head, I do see that, you know, okay, once I comb through, I do experience some shedding, but like I stated before, it is not a lot. So another thing is, do this hair takes well to, and I do say that the hair does take well to heat. I do notice that if I did want to straighten the hair, I can get like a bone straight look. I wouldn't have any issues with that. If I wanted to curl the hair, if you guys do not remember, in the first video I did go in with my curling wand and curl the hair, and I had really nice curl pattern with this hair. Now, I did notice throughout wearing the hair for a few months that the curls do drop pretty quickly. So if you are looking for like a tighter curl look, I highly recommend that you apply some type of holding spray. That's about it for this final review. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'm gonna try to be so in-depth and very detailed when it comes to doing final reviews, because I know you guys are looking for some really good hair and you want to know everything about this hair. Now, I would definitely have to say that my experience may not be the same when it comes for you getting your hair, because all hair is different. Not hair is exactly the same, but would I definitely recommend you guys try out this hair? Yes. If you are looking for some really good 613 blonde hair, I would recommend Rosabeauty. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I will make sure that I include the direct link of the 613 hair that I have in right now. I will put that down below in the description section. If you guys have any more questions or comments, leave them down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, okay? And then also follow me on Instagram at @I am_Shay Amour. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.